There's something magical about Filipino pork recipes, especially when it's infused with the warmth of Lutong Pinoy. The rich, savory, and umami-packed dishes are comforting yet celebratory. But here's the real question. How do you recreate that authentic flavor at home? Let me walk you through. Start with the classic adobo. At its simplest, it's pork belly simmered in vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, pepper, and bay leaves. But here's the secret. Balance. Too much vinegar and it's harsh. Too much soy sauce and it's salty. Aim for that sweet spot. If you're making lechon kawali, crispy skin is the ultimate goal. Boil your limpo, pork belly, with garlic and salt first. Dry it completely, like leave it in the fridge overnight. Then deep fry at high heat. That crunch? Unmatched. For a more indulgent dish, try pata tim, a braised pork hock recipe. It's rich and sticky with hints of star anise and soy. Pro tip, add a little pineapple juice for sweetness. Let it simmer for hours. Low and slow wins here. Now let's talk sisig. This one's labor-intensive but worth it. Start by grilling or boiling pork face and ears, then chopping them finely. Sauté with onions, chili, and liver spread. Serve it sizzling hot. Oh, and a squeeze of calamansi is non-negotiable. Prefer soup? Sinigang na baboy is unbeatable during cold days. It's all about the tamarind broth. Think pork ribs simmered with tomatoes, radish, and kangkong, water spinach. Don't forget the gabi taro for that thick, starchy goodness. For something sweet and salty, try humba. It's similar to adobo, but with the addition of brown sugar, banana blossoms, and black beans. It's a southern Philippines specialty, and trust me, it's a family favorite for a reason. Feeling adventurous? How about dinuguan? It's pork blood stew. Yes, it's an acquired taste, but when done right, it's incredibly flavorful. The key is adding vinegar to cut through the richness and balancing it with chili and spices. Don't overlook Bicol Express. It's spicy, creamy, and always memorable. Sauté pork chunks in shrimp paste, then simmer in coconut milk with lots of chili. The combo of heat and creaminess? Chef's kiss. Can't find rare Filipino ingredients near you? Adapt with substitutes. For sourness in sinigang, use tamarind paste. Can't find calamansi? Lemon works too. Filipino cooking thrives on improvisation. The important thing is to nail those bold flavors. Presentation matters too. Garnish your dishes. Green onions on sisig, fried garlic on adobo, or banana leaves under lechon kawali. It's all about making your food look as good as it tastes. Trust me, people eat with their eyes first. Cooking Lutong Pinoy at home can look intimidating, but here's the beauty of it. You don't need to be fancy. It's everyday comfort food, meant to bring people together. And if it's imperfect, that just adds character. Keep cooking.